Hello everyone, good day. In this video we will see how to apply for the Seafarer's Identity Document SID, and so we will just start with the video that what is need to be done to apply for the SID. So first we will see the documents required. Basically you need only two documents, passport, CDC, and a fees of rupees 300. Now this passport and CDC you need to have originals. Photocopies will not do, because this you need to carry during your appointment in the MMD or the center where you have selected. So the first step is you type DGShipping bsid.in. You open Mozilla Firefox in your computer, then you enter this address DGShipping bsid.in. So once you enter this page is going to open. So when this page opens, just go through these general instructions. This gives some instructions about how to go about filling up the form and the required documents. So just go through them once, and then you will get this on your right hand side. Enter your endorse number here and enter your password. Your password is same what you use in DG profile. Enter this captcha and log in. So once you log in, this page opens. So it's very simple. When you want to apply for SID, just click here apply for SID. When you click here apply for SID, some form will open in which the details will already be filled up. These details are already taken up from your Indus database. You have to just verify that all this information given here is correct. If something is not correct, then you go to general instructions, and there a procedure is given how you update your information, your Indus profile. So mostly in most of the cases this information is always right, so you just go through all that information in that form, and at the end there will be a column where you have to type your address where you need to receive your SID. Just type the address and press submit. Once you press the submit button, an application number will be generated and your application will be generated, and you can take a printout of your application. Once you fill up that application form, the second step is click here make payment. When you enter this make payment, there you will get an option, and to pay the money via debit or credit card or via internet banking, and you can make a payment of 300 rupees. So once you make the payment, you can then click here on schedule appointment. So when you click here on schedule appointment, this page will open. Okay, this is for the payment. So you click here fresh appointment, and then form will open where you can pay 300 rupees and you can submit. Once the payment is accepted, the next is schedule your appointment. You click here schedule your appointment, click on the fresh appointment. When you click on the fresh appointment, this page is going to open. So you click here fresh appointment, and from here you can select the appointment center. So whether you want to select Noida, Chennai, Kolkata, any center you want to select, just click on that, and that here there will be dates and the corresponding times available. Just click on the date and time and press submit, and that slot will be allotted to you. So you have got that appointment on that date. That's it. That's very simple. And then if you want to print the acknowledgement, you click here print acknowledgement. You will get a form. You can just click it. So after that, on that designated date and time, you enter your MMD center what you have selected. Carry your original passport, CDC, and this acknowledgement form with you. Only these three things are required, and it will take about 10 to 15 minutes inside the MMD center to take your data, your biometrics data. Rest everything is there already filled up in the form. So it is very simple to apply the SID, and you can do it at any time, whether on Sunday, Saturday, or any time you are free. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope it will be of help